Welcome back. It's not the most wonderful time of the year, snowblower season. My neighbor dropped off his snowblower, said it doesn't start, so you gotta be good to your neighbors. So let's take a look at this thing and figure out what's wrong with it. First off, what is it? The decal flew off. Just make it out. It's a Toro Power Clear 621E, 21 inch wide, 163cc overhead, 4-cycle engine. 2-year warranty. I think that expired. He said he put fresh gas in it, but it smells fresh, but I don't know if there was any other stale gas left in it. Let's pull the plug out first, see if it has spark, and then work from there. Cover should come off, I think 1-2 screws here. Let's see how it comes apart. You can see the plug up on here now. Who makes the engine? It's hard. It could be a Briggs engine. It's hard to tell here. I don't see anything saying who manufactured it. Probably Briggs. We got the 2 screws out over here, 1, 2. To get this whole entire plastic cover off, you'll have to take this apart, these screws out, so we don't want to get involved with that. We just want to get a little more access to the spark plug, which is right in there. You could do it from probably with even out taking this off, but I want to see what's going on here. Pull off the plug, get a socket in there and remove the spark plug. What have we got in here? A bunch of junk. Let's get the plug out, see if there's spark. I guarantee this was never taken out. I think he's had this about maybe 4 years. And it's been good because he's never brought it over here for me to fix before. Let's see, is it fouled or not? Yeah, a little fouled. Let's check for spark, but definitely smells bad, so I'll guarantee the carburetor's probably plugged up. Plug is out. We cleaned it up a little bit. Got electric start here. Yeah, we got spark. We put the plug back in, and now we're going to move on to the carburetor. We're not going to pull the whole carburetor off. We're just going to pull the bowl off from this bottom bolt right over here and see how much junk is stuck inside it. There is no fuel shut off on these, which is kind of stupid, but what are you going to do? Just got to deal with it. Got a little pair of pliers here that will pinch off the rubber line, close the fuel off. So have a pan ready, pull out the bolt, and you should see fuel dripping out of it. Let's get that undone. This is 10 millimeter. There we go. And it smells bad here, so this gas is stale. Pop this off, if it comes off. Nope. Small tap. There we go. Got all that junk in there. We're going to clean all that out with carburetor cleaner. And then we got to clean up through there, the main jet. Hopefully it'll clean up without having to take the whole thing apart. Let's release this for a second to see if we have fuel flow. Yes, we do. Check the float. I'll let some of that drip out, get rid of the old junk. Shut that back off again. hear it going in. That's good. There should be a hole along the side of here too where the fuel will go into. So let's spray around over here, get some compressed air, and blow off around all of this. That's better. That's the hole right there that I make sure is clean, because that's where the fuel's actually going into. So spray around a little bit more. Hopefully this will clean it out enough. Make sure the gasket for the carburetor is still up in there. We will put this bowl back on. Let's flush this out one more time. We got good fuel flow, so that's good. We know the float valve is working, so. Let's get the bowl back on. Release the clamp. Now it should fill up. If the seal is good, you shouldn't be leaking any fuel around there. So clear the area of flammable stuff. Save my arm from pulling. Plug it in. Prime it. Change the oil quick. See how dirty it is. It didn't look that bad from the stick, but you never know. Oh, that's a long bolt. Yeah, looks kind of crappy. Here, you want to get done faster? Double the pour. Fill her up. All right, let's get this off the table and see if it'll do what it's supposed to do. Oh no, a little bit of the white stuff is starting to come down.